This is not a private jet. This is a Boeing 787 Dreamliner redesigned for one person. When fully customized, this aircraft can cost over $400 million. That's not first class. That's an entirely different airline. To understand how something like this exists, you need to see the process that makes it possible. Because at this price point, nothing happens by accident. Everything starts with aerospace-grade materials, advanced aluminum alloys tested for structural integrity. The Boeing 787 was originally designed for airlines, wide body capacity, long-range efficiency, passenger optimization. Turning it into a private jet isn't an upgrade, it's a complete rethinking. Every system that made sense for 300 passengers now needs to work for fewer than 20 people, sometimes just 5. Weight distribution changes entirely. Range calculations shift. Acoustic engineering becomes critical because commercial-grade noise dampening isn't acceptable when someone's trying to sleep in what used to be row 12. Luxury starts with math, and the math here is unforgiving. The fuselage is assembled in sections, just like any commercial 787. But the moment customization begins, everything diverges. Boeing delivers what's called a green aircraft, essentially a flying shell with engines and basic systems. Then, specialized completion centers take over. These facilities, often located in Europe or the United States, handle the transformation. Every electrical system has redundancy. Every hydraulic line has backup. Environmental controls are recalibrated for zones instead of a single cabin. This jet has more backup systems than most countries have infrastructure plans. And it needs them, because at altitude, there's no maintenance crew standing by. The engines are Rolls-Royce Trent 1000s or General Electric GEnx units, depending on configuration. These power plants are built to fly non-stop across continents. New York to Singapore, London to Sydney, Los Angeles to Dubai. Range matters when your schedule doesn't accommodate layovers. Silence matters when conversations involve sensitive information. Reliability matters even more, because at 40,000 feet, excuses don't exist. These engines undergo testing cycles that simulate decades of operation before they're ever attached to an airframe. It's not about luxury, it's about certainty. This is where the real transformation begins. Bedrooms with memory foam mattresses and blackout systems. Bathrooms with rainfall showers and heated marble floors. Dining rooms with custom cabinetry. Real-world examples exist. Roman Abramovich's Boeing 767 reportedly features gold-plated fixtures and a missile defense system. Prince Al-Walid bin Talal's Airbus A380, while not a 787, set the standard with a concert hall and Turkish bath. Jeff Bezos operates a Gulfstream G650ER for shorter trips, but ultra-long-range BBJs occupy the same operational philosophy: complete autonomy. If this level of detail interests you, hit the like button and subscribe. We break down how these machines actually get built. Full-height ceilings, something impossible in standard private jets. The 787's fuselage diameter allows standing room without compromise. Pressurization is calibrated to simulate 8,000 feet instead of the typical commercial standard, reducing fatigue on long flights. Circadian lighting systems adjust color temperature throughout the flight, preparing the body for arrival time zones. Jet lag becomes optional. Meetings are not. Humidity control prevents the dry air problem common in aircraft. The result is an environment that doesn't feel like flying. It feels like existing somewhere else entirely. Before delivery, everything is tested. Pressure cycles simulate years of operational stress. Acoustic engineers measure decibel levels in every compartment. Vibration analysis ensures nothing rattles, shifts, or fails during turbulence. If something feels off, even slightly, it goes back to the completion center. At this level, almost perfect is failure. The difference between acceptable and flawless is what justifies the price. There is no showroom, no unveiling event, no press conference. Just a quiet handover at a private facility. The aircraft is flown to the owner's designated home base. Documentation is signed. Keys, metaphorically, are handed over. Because privacy is part of the package. And the people buying these don't want attention, they want capability. Jets like this are publicly associated with billionaires, heads of state, and global executives. Roman Abramovich, as mentioned, owns multiple customized wide-body aircraft. Bill Gates has been linked to a Bombardier BD-700, not a BBJ, but operates within the same ultra-private aviation tier. Elon Musk previously owned a Dassault Falcon 900, though he's claimed to have reduced personal jet usage. These aren't just transportation tools. They're mobile command centers, flying offices, secure communication hubs. Different jets, different configurations, same obsession with control. If you want to see more content on how the ultra-wealthy actually operate, subscribe and turn on notifications. We're building a series on this. We've also documented how $50,000 fountain pens are manufactured, how Patek Philippe gold watches take months to complete, how Rolls-Royce Phantom interiors are hand-stitched over weeks, how super yacht galleys are equipped with restaurant-grade precision. The Luxury Manufacturing playlist shows you the processes behind objects most people never see. Click the playlist link in the description or on screen now. Because once you understand how these things are actually made, you'll never look at luxury the same way. And if you're still here, subscribe. We're just getting started.